Historic and devastating floods are leaving lasting scars on the western Washington landscape.
This atmospheric river continues to bring heavy rain, lots of flooding.
100,000 people under an evacuation order in Skagit County, many thousands more in Pierce, King, Snohomish County feeling the effects.
I've worked for the River and Floodplain Management Section for about 14 years. This is the first time I have seen all of our major river systems reach phase 3 and phase 4 at the same time.